Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, wherever we are in the world. And to this video guys, I just want to say thank you, and I'm very grateful kay today is my 64th birthday. So I'm very grateful and thankful to our Almighty God because He extends my life, and I am for a long journey, 64 years in service, in existence in the world. So thank you kaayo, I'm very thankful that God is sustain me physically, good health gihatag ni Lord sa ako, even mentally and emotionally God strengthen me, and spiritually God uses me. Then and also I would like to thank you to my family, ang kong duha ka anak na si LD at si Shama. Thank you kaayo sa inyong for taking care of me, especially LD, my eldest, my breadwinner. So thank you kaayo Kuya D sa imong timan ni Mama o ni Shama. Salamat kaayo tungod kay nag cellphone mo sa inyong hangwork. So may akong pag-ampo nga God will give you the desires of your heart. Mama is always here for you, to love you forever and ever. And to my YT family, I'm very grateful and thankful to you kay you always support me sa lahat ng dyan. Thank you for your support and love ni Nanay Odessa, and my friends, my colleagues, my ka-senior, thank you kaayo. And then lahat kayo guys, hindi ko kayo maisa-isa, but my heart is overwhelming, over joyful, grateful and thankful to every one of you. So and I continually, for the rest of my life, I continually serve the Lord and be grateful always, and support you there, my YT friends, sa abot makakaya ni Nanay Odessa. So nag-enjoy si Nanay Odessa dito sa iyang channel kay nakahanap ako ng maraming friends dito sa YT. So from this day, I'm very thankful to the Lord. Saying thank you to the Lord is not enough for all the things He has done to my life. And happy birthday to me, happy 64th birthday. And there are some friends are sending their wishes and love and greetings, birthday greetings on my 64th birthday. So we will hear from them.
Hello, mega love shoutout po sa inyo lahat. Mayroon po akong babating sa kanyang special day na walang iba si Sis Odessa Mix Vlog. Happy birthday sa iyo, Sis Odessa Mix Vlog. I wish you more birthdays to come, good health and all success in your life. I wish more revenue, more views, more subscriber, and good health always, and good health din ang iyong YouTube channel. Ayan. Happy birthday, sis. I wish na all the best. Ayan. Bye-bye. And God bless you and your family always. Ayan, sis, kakantahan kita. Happy birthday to you. Sana'y maligaya ka sa araw na ito. Happy birthday to you. Nawa'y pagpalain ka ng buong may kapal. bumabating, bukal sa kalooban, di ka malilimot, magpakailan pa man. Happy birthday, sis! Happy, happy birthday to you. Sana'y maligaya ka sa araw na ito. Happy, happy birthday to you. Naway pagpalain ka ng buong may kapal. Happy, happy birthday to you. Na sana'y maligaya ka sa araw na ito. Happy, happy birthday to you. Naway pagpalain ka ng buong may kapal. Happy birthday, Sis Odessa. Happy, happy birthday to you. Sana'y maligaya ka sa araw na ito. Happy birthday, Sis Odessa. Bye-bye.
Hello, Ma'am Shi Odessa. Ayan, gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy birthday, Ma'am Shi. Ayan, sana wish ko para sa'yo, sana laging nasa maayos kang kalusugan. Stay happy, stay beautiful, Ma'am Shi. Ayan. Ayan, gustong-gusto ko na nakikita kapag nagla-live ka, Ma'am Shi, kapag may time ako, ayan, talagang sumisilip ako kasi natutuwa ako sa iyo, Ma'am Shi. Ayan, gustong-gusto kong pinapanood ka. Ayan, so, sana mag-enjoy ka sa araw ng iyong kaarawan, sa napaka-special na araw ng iyong buhay. Ayan, God bless, Ma'am Shi. Love you always.
Hello everyone, this is MJ Riggs. Gusto ko lang batiin na happy birthday si Ate Odessa. Ayan, happy birthday ate. Sana madagdagan pa ng napakaraming birthday. Stay healthy, stay beautiful. Ayan, thank you pala at nabigyan ako ng chance na mag-greet sa iyo sa kaarawan mo. Ayan, salamat din at patuloy tayong sa ating pagkakaibigan mula noong 2021 at hanggang ngayon. Alam natin labas-pasok yung mga kaibigan natin sa YouTube, pero tayo na natili yung pagkakaibigan natin. Ayan, thank you.
Hello, Odessa. This is Ken and Joey from Pinoy U.S. Adventure. And we'd like to wish you a very
happy birthday to you. You know, another year, another blessings. I know, isa kang mabait na lady, na maganda. Basta continue mo lang yung magiging low profile mo, anak. At saka continue mo lang yung pag-support. At saka basta enjoy life, di ba? And as usual, God bless.
Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa lahat. Mag-greet lang po, happy birthday kay Ate Babes, Odessa Mix Vlog, aka Odessa Mix Vlog. Happy birthday, dili lang ako tason kay, damoy lang sa ta. Dili lang na tason akong yaw-yaw kay, basta kami duha ni Bianca te, grateful me and thankful kaayo sa inyo. Dili lang sa mga kundi sa imong buong family. Basta, we love you always. Love everything. Basta, te, salamat sa tanan. Basta, happy birthday. Good health lang kanunay. And more years to celebrate pa, te. Love you.
Yes. Hello, good evening from Spain and good morning in the Philippines. I would like to greet happy birthday to my mom as my mom friend, Mommy Odessa. Wow, it's been a long time. We're become friends here in YT, in Facebook, and in Messenger. Anyway, happy birthday, Mommy Odessa. May God bless you more, and please continue being a good servant of God as I always saw you. You're enjoying your life, and now you add one more blessing, one more year, and you look so like you're not at your age, you know, you look more younger. So I wish you happy birthday and may God bless you more. Continue to be good and to be kind and to be friendly to everyone, and thank you for being my friend and almost for a years being a friend in YT. So this is baby you're mine, and happy birthday again to you, Mommy Odessa. God bless you more. Bye.
Hello everyone! How are you? Thank you for supporting my sister's Odessa Benitez vlog. Hello. I just want to greet my sister a happy 64th birthday. Hello sis, muna mong pinakagwapa nga igsuon. Pinakabuutan po ni siya. Pero ay lang ninyo siya bigla kay dali po na siya masuko, magalit, char. Dito ay happy birthday, my sis Odi. May you have many more birthdays to come. More blessings to come. Bito ay stay stunning, stay healthy, stay happy. Kay kuan man, diha ra man gyud ta mulungtad ang atong taas-taas atong kinabuhi nga mag happy ta. Then mag-diet po jud. So, mo na to, happy birthday, my sister Odi. May you have many more birthdays to come. Bye guys! Thank you for watching!
Hello po, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ito naman po si Kindness OFW at bumabati po ng maligayang kaarawan po kay Ma'am Odessa. Ayan, so ingat ka lang po palagi ma'am. Ayan, and then maintain lang po yung gamot natin. Ayan, kung may mga gamot na po tayo, no, sa ating mga, para sa good health lang palagi po. Yun lang ang wish ni Kindness po para sa inyo. So, simula po nang nag-vlog si Kindness sa YouTube, ayan, pati rin po sa Facebook, no. Thankful ako dahil nakilala ko po si Ma'am Odessa. Ayan, at palagi talaga yan na sumusuporta kay Kindness. At kahit po no na busy ako, yan po. So, nandyan palagi siya guys. Kahit wala ako sa premiere ko, grabe yan ka-supportive si Ma'am Odessa. Yan, so sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe kay Ma'am, please po, dahil ito po is totoong kaibigan po talaga si Ma'am, no. So, hindi lang dahil sa nag-vlog tayo, pero si Ma'am Odessa talagang maasahan nyo rin po yan guys. Talagang kahit yung personal message, yan, dati nagkakausap kami niyan, no, hindi pa talaga busy si Kindness, ayan, chikahan kami yan ni Ma'am. So, ano po siya, kahit hindi pa kami nagkita sa personal, dahil nga po kapag umuwi ako sa Pilipinas, medyo malayo talaga yung place namin, then saglit lang po ako sa Pilipinas din. Pero parang alam niyo po guys, parang matagal na kami nagkakilala, parang nagkita na rin kami sa personal. So dahil napaka-casual niya lang po talaga yung mabait po talaga si Ma'am Odessa. Okay po. So, yan po Ma'am, wala ako ibang masabi sa inyo. Basta ingat lang po kayo palagi. And then nandito lang po si Kindness po. Anytime po, no? Yan, mag-message lang po kayo sa akin, Ma'am. Okay? Bye po!
Greetings from Abilene, Texas. This is August the 1st, and I would like to send my blessings to you, my mahal ko, Bibi Ali Benitez Monterona in Iligan City, the Philippines. Happiest 64th birthday. I hope you had a blessed celebration. You saw all your friends, and that it was just special time for you. It is my honest and sincere wish that God continues to bless you each and every day. Bye-bye.